Hello and welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you restart your BeReal app in some very easy steps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your BeReal app and navigate to your profile. Firstly, you have to open your BeReal app and click to your profile. After going to profile, you can see these three dots in the top right corner. You just simply have to tap there and go to these settings. Step 2. Log out. After going to settings, you just simply have to log out your account from the logout button down here. Step 3. Restart the phone and log in to your account again. After logging out your account, you just simply have to restart your phone and open the BeReal again, and then enter your phone number and send the verification OTP there. Step 4. Verify the OTP. After sending the verification message, BeReal will send you an OTP. You just simply have to enter the verification OTP here and click to continue. After clicking to continue, your BeReal account will open again and starts working. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe. We'll meet in another video. Till then, keep loving the tech.